Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this yummy, delicious, homemade Mexican spaghetti, also known as sopa de crema. So it's really simple. All you need is a batch of sour cream. I prefer Knudsen, half of spaghetti to feed 4 to 5 people, and let's not forget our Knorr Suiza. I use 1 cube, and tomato sauce. I'm going to only use half of this can, and our country crock spread. All right, so first things first, grab your pot, go ahead and boil it. The water has been boiling for about maybe 10 minutes, and then we're going to add some butter, about 1 tablespoon, and half of that will feed about 4 to 5 servings. We're going to stir occasionally. It's 5:38, maybe in about 10-15 minutes. I'll check up on it, but you want to make sure that the spaghetti doesn't get stuck on the bottom of the pan. But I'm gonna bring it down to maybe 5 or 4, and then I'm gonna cover it. Check up on it, okay? Make sure it's covered just like so, not all the way. And just as a reminder, this isn't a healthy meal. You know, this is a carb dinner meal, and it's really delicious. This is done. We're gonna go ahead and add half a can of the sauce, tomato sauce. We're gonna add the entire packet of the Knudsen sour cream. I find it best that it tastes better with the Knudsen and the Anthony's pasta spaghetti. Yeah, so mix all the ingredients. Mixed everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. Let's see, I think what I'm gonna do, what is this, maybe about, I don't know, just do it by taste. Once this comes to a boil, then you add your noodles. Okay everyone, so once you've added the noodles, go ahead and stir that up. This dish can be accompanied by steak or chicken or whatever you like. You just add all the pasta, just like so. There's so many ingredients. I guess if you YouTube Mexican spaghetti, it is a thing, and it's delicious. I was just chatting with one of my followers, and she adds chipotle sauce, and I have to try that because that sounds good. Now this is boiling, and then it's ready to serve. The kids love this, and buen provecho. Well, alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to post more videos.